beautiful Starry Blue Dial. It's absolutely beautiful. Here we have this alligator blue leather strap. Purpose of this video is going to show you the condition that it's in and showing you the set contents that it comes with. All right, here we have that beautiful Starry Blue Dial, which looks absolutely beautiful. Here we have this alligator blue leather strap with the Lange logo right there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's go over the condition of this watch. Here we have the bottom angle, bottom left angle. Here we have the case side. We have the top right, top left, sorry. Here's the top of the watch. Here's the top right. Here we have the case side. Here's the bottom right. Beautiful. Here's the buckle. Opening this up, I'm going to show you the condition of the inside of the strap and also the case back. Beautiful.
Getting to the functions of this watch, we'll be using the right side crown to go ahead and pull once. Pulling once gives us access to the minute hand, and for this we're going to go ahead and perform a full 24-hour sweep. Even though we don't have a date on this watch, we can still perform a full 24 to show how smooth this crown is. As we do see, there's no hesitations. And even with gloves on, it's still easy to move. And for now, we're going to set this back into 6:30. Perfect. We'll lock that back in place.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and show you the set contents of this watch. So here we have the box that holds the watch. Here we have all the booklets that it comes with. This one is showing you the actual microfiber that it comes with. It's like a little cloth that you can use to clean your watch. Here we have this history of your watch. So this is the guarantee booklet, service booklet. So it's going to show you the serial number on here with the reference number and the stamp of where they originally bought it for and year. So here we do have this booklet. It's this is the manual, and this is warranty or register your watch on their website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks.